Hello, thank you very much for watching another BSK video. We're playing another round of One Night Ultimate Werewolf with 7 players. Actually, meron kami new player. We have for tonight the following. We have RPG. We have JD, Noob Ambassador, Bujit, Kill Uncle, Skiddo Livino, and we have a new player, Albathor. Hi guys! Hi Albathor. Yan! So, si Albathor nanonood ng video siya, nag-comment, and naglalaro daw siya. So, why not? Sige, sumali siya right now. First time niya mag-One Night Ultimate Werewolf with the rest of the group. Tingnan natin. Doon muna kami sa non-killing games kasi nandito si Kill Uncle. But who knows? Let's see. Maybe we might change to a different game kapag dumami ng players. Anyway, for the 7-player game, basic setup muna tayo kasi meron tayong bagong player. Check nyo na lang in the description below kung ano yung ginagamit namin rules. Pero aside ka na rules to everyone, let's start the game. Guys, mute your mics, go to sleep.
Everyone, close your eyes.
Albathor, we go to sleep by... yan, tama yan. Kailangan nakikita kung hindi ka nakatingin sa screen.
Hi!
Alright. And habang naghihintay sa mga nanonood, click nyo na yung like, yung subscribe, pati notification button. Pondohan nyo na. Okay. Makinig na mabuti. I'm now gonna wake up Team Werewolf. Kung ilan man na nasa Werewolf team, Team Werewolf, wake up, pick sa camera. Kung dalawa kayo, magkakilala na kayo ngayon. Kung mag-isa ka lang, pick a card, 1, 2, or 3. I'll let you know a card that no one is using. Alright, that's long enough. Tulog na kayo. Team Werewolf. Isingin ko naman ngayon kung meron tayo, Minion. Minion, wake up. Okay, papakilala ko sa mga kakampi mo. Team Werewolf, kung ilan man kayo, wave sa camera. Team Werewolf, wave sa camera. Okay na tayo, Minion? Okay. Stop waving, Team Werewolf. Go back to sleep. Minion, let me now wake up the Seer. Seer, wake up. Know the role of a specific player as of right now, or 2 of the 3 cards with me. Okay, this is what you want to know, and this is the information that you got. Go back to sleep, Seer. Let me now wake up the Mason. Mason, wake up. Kung dalawa kayo, magkakilala na kayo right now. Kung isa ka lang, well, you have to prove yourself na Mason ka. Or it's possible na wala akong kausap right now. Go back to sleep, Mason or Masons. Or baka wala akong kausap right now. Next, let me now wake up the Robber. Robber, wake up. Okay, sino ang nanakawan mo ng role? Malalaman mo ang role mo, bago mong role. You are robbing this person. Okay, this is your new role. At yung pinili mo, siya na ang magiging robber. Back to sleep, former robber. After the robber, let me now wake up the troublemaker. Troublemaker, wake up. Any 2 players except yourself. Kaninong players mo kapag ito and ito. Okay, noted. Go back to sleep. Troublemaker. All right. And 2 more roles. Insomniac, wake up. Okay. If after everything that's been happening so far, ito ang role mo. Okay. Go back to sleep, Insomniac. And then lastly, for the benefit of our viewers, Tanner, wake up, tingin sa camera. Okay. If you still have the Tanner card, then you want to be voted out. If you don't have it, then good luck. Go back to sleep, Tanner. All right. That's all. Everyone wake up.
Everyone, wake up.
Okay. Nakakatuwa rin pag basic yung rules, no? So anyway, I'm gonna make it a 6-minute game. Actually, pwede nga itong 5. Pero sige, I'll make it a 6-minute game muna. Medyo warm up ng konti. Yeah, ngayon pa lang sasabihin ko, if you feel na both werewolf cards are with me, mamaya vote 0. Or abstain. Yan na lang gawin natin later. But anyway, you have 6 minutes starting now.
I was the Mason and I woke up alone.
Pwede nga.
Yeah.
You're right. Yeah,
Oh shit.
right.
Not the Tanner.
Yeah,
Not the Tanner.
right.
I'm the
No,
Mason, pero
I'm
di ko
the
masasabihin
Mason.
niya.
The
I'm the
Tanner
Mason.
Nagkawayan tayo.
feels-
I'm the Mason, and Sandman allowed me to check one card because I was alone, and Troublemaker is card number 1.
Lies. That's
Wow.
awesome.
Ah, wow, hitting so many stones.
How can you be the Mason when we both woke up?
You're hardcore
I'm
lies.
used to guys, pero sige lang.
I'm the Mason.
Oh, I didn't see
Tatlo
you.
tayo, Mason.
Mason ako pero di ko muna sasabihin ko sino yung nakita kong partner.
So
Oh,
Nuke
wait,
and Albator
lima tayong
already
Mason.
covered. So
So we're proving na Noob Ambassador is the Tanner. Or the
No, we're not. The
Yes.
Tanner is in the middle card.
Sure.
Paano mo na nakita yung gitna?
JD, anong role mo?
I cheated.
Troublemaker. Sino pinagpalit mo?
There's no Troublemaker, lies.
who did
Sino,
you
JD?
switch?
There's no Troublemaker.
JD, if you're really the troublemaker.
Ha? Sino?
Hindi matutuwa yung mga taong babanggitin.
Sino?
Okay lang, hindi kami maniniwala sa
Player
feelings.
Sino?
Player 9 and player 10.
Who?
Player 9 and player 10.
Player 9, player 10. Okay na. Okay.
He was.
Kilongko, don't tell me you're bad again, Kilongko.
You know you are not a Mason. That's all. Who am I?
Who am I? I think we're playing a different game.
Yeah. That's
So
the
now you're not a Mason, and that makes you.
Wait, so JD's saying that me and Kill Uncle were switched.
Yes, and now you are the Mason. So there's no harm unless you got a bad roll.
Okay, so is what is Noob telling the truth that he
I'm the
woke up
Mason,
as a
yes.
Mason?
No, it's not. It's not. I woke up with Albator. Both of us woke up together.
Okay, Noob Ambassador Tanner feels okay. At least
No.
Yes. Yes. So who are you?
Someone
Skiddo?
robbed me. Guys, someone robbed me.
Who are you, Skiddo?
A villager.
Okay, good. So guys, just avoid us and Skiddo. Just concentrate on Bujin.
What
I mean,
villager? What kind of
Wait,
villager?
so RBJ, what's your role? You're awfully quiet.
Bujin, you're not using your
RBG, why
Beef
are you
to buy
avoiding the
people?
question, RBG?
I thought you were kasi somebody just hijacked the conversation. Kill Uncle hijacked.
Oh,
No, I'm the insomniac.
Albator, ano yung role mo,
Mason.
Albator? Albator, ano
Mason.
yung role mo?
Sorry,
Mason.
RBG again?
Kasama mo si Kilangka?
Insomniac.
yes.
No.
You
No,
still woke up
we
as
were
Kill
two
Insomniac.
Masons.
3 minutes to go.
Like really,
Is everyone
RBG?
denying my,
Did that way, you would still woke
Oh,
up
wait,
as
wait,
Kill
wait. This is the part where Bujin says it's cheat code. So cheat code, you should identify yourself. So Bujin, who are you? In 3, 2,
Ako yung
1.
seer. Nagsisinungaling si RBG kasi nakita ko yung insomniac sa gitna.
JD, sino ka?
Ooh.
For real? Sige. Kami ba talaga ni
Saan
Skiddo?
sa
Pinagkulit
gitna
mo?
yan?
Yeah.
Number.
Okay, so
Let's get to your
me,
gut.
Kill Uncle, JD,
Number 1.
Albator are good. So it's among RBG, Noob, and Bujin then.
RBG,
but
yes.
Ano yung logic?
Noob.
One of them is a Tanner.
Wait,
so,
why not the two
Oh, man.
Masons can
why
actually
not?
be the
I
two
think one of them is a
werewolves?
Tanner. Wait, aren't you one of the
But
Masons?
no one is countered.
Yeah, but
I'm the Mason.
there's only two
Alright,
Masons.
didn't you say you were one of the Masons? Okay.
Yeah, I'm the real
minutes
Mason
left,
and
2 minutes
two
left.
werewolves.
Okay, so
Albator, ikaw
guys,
yung real
all
Mason.
signs point to Bujin.
Until 1 minute left, by the way. Hindi ko
No.
na sasabihin kasi
Si Albator ang nag-click.
Wait, so Bujin, what did you see? What cards did you see?
Card
as a
1,
seer?
werewolf. Card 2, insomniac.
Said the werewolf. Okay, good. We're getting somewhere.
So if Bujin is telling the truth, then Noob Ambassador and RBG, one of them is the minion. Or
One of
Tanner.
them is.
The minion
How come
or the
you're
Tanner,
believing
because he
Bujin?
saw. No, I'm just saying it.
Why are we believing Bujin?
Or if RBG is
Because I
telling the
lost
truth,
my
then Bujin and
Dalawa
Noob
yun.
are in cahoots.
Masakit.
They-
A werewolf can't be a werewolf without teeth.
Oo.
Wala mo,
Ano ba yan?
vegetarian werewolf.
Okay,
You know
so
what, guys?
Yeah.
You know what, guys? It's better for us to like spread the votes.
let's
so
concentrate
that
na lang on
we
RBG and
Focus
Bujin.
on the village win.
No. Why
No, no, no.
Bujin
Why you scared
RBG?
me?
You know,
1 minute
Why
left.
you-
1 minute
you
left.
know-
Skiddo is telling the truth. It's either
No, oh my
Bujin or
God.
RBG because they're contradicting each other.
Albator,
Yeah, so,
ano yung sinasabi,
let's move them
sinasabi mo?
Wala akong kasama eh. Alone lang ako.
Wala kang kasama. So nagsisinungaling si NA tsaka si
45 seconds.
Wala kang kasama.
Exactly.
So this is
Oh, but
remember
either
Bujin
werewolf
has
or
a cheat
Mason.
code which he's not using now, which makes him
Mm.
What's
Oh,
his
yeah.
cheat
Hindi, ano
code?
yung nakita mo as as
Oh.
insomniac?
JD, let's vote
30
Bujin.
seconds.
The cheat
Ano
code.
nakita mo as insomniac?
Kiddo, let's vote Bujin. I
I
think
have
it's
no idea
valid.
right now.
Yeah.
Like,
Kill
I am
Uncle,
just-
no.
Dito
Yes,
may claim
yes,
ka
yes.
na bang role?
I think it's best to just
Iba
spread
ka
out the vote and
siya.
vote
No, no, no,
15
no.
seconds out.
So JD,
Uh,
you switch
so
to
more
It's
Kill
chances
Uncle.
of winning.
minion thing. So we should just
10
say,
seconds.
JD,
Kay RBG ako
switch with
boboto.
Kill Uncle.
no, let's go with
No.
8. Let's go with 8.
5, 4,
Let's go with
3.
RBG.
No, no, no.
Two,
It has to be
and
8.
one.
It has to be 8.
Okay, no more discussions. It's been 6
Today.
minutes. So, a reminder lang, if you feel na both werewolf cards nasa akin, vote 0 or don't vote at all. Abstain na lang. Don't show any fingers. You cannot vote for yourself even if you are or you feel that you are the minion or the tanner. You cannot vote for yourself. You have to vote for someone else. I am gonna count you guys down from 3 and then hold it up, okay? Counting down 3, 2, 1, vote. Hold it up, hold it up. Vote, hold it up, hold it up. 8s, tatlong 8s, tatlong 4. 8 and 4 got the votes. Bujin and RBG has the most votes. Tig-tatlo sila. Okay, I'm gonna start off by saying Bujin was voted out. Bujin was the seer. Bujin did check card 1 and card 2. Card 1 talaga was a werewolf. Card 2 was the insomniac. So therefore, RBG was lying. RBG was
Congrats,
not the
RBG.
insomniac. You guys voted out RBG. RBG is a minion. So good job. Panalo ang lone werewolf si Noob Ambassador. Noob Ambassador was a lone werewolf. Hindi nagbago yung rules niya. Albathor was the lone mason. Kill Uncle was actually the robber. And he
Nagpatalo.
robbed Albathor. So si Albathor, you ended the game as the robber. Kill Uncle, you became the mason. Pero, okay lang guys kasi natalo din naman din si Kill Uncle kasi Kill Uncle, swap nga yung card mo with Skiddo, so you became the tanner. So, wala rin nag-vote kay Kill Uncle. Good job, panalo si New Ambassador and si RBG. Team Werewolf won. Good job.
Kido was the tanner.
Skiddo was the tanner pero napunta kay Kill Uncle yung tanner card. Eh, nakakatawa lang yung first 2 minutes yun. Lahat ng claims yun, puro kasinungalingan lahat.
I was so afraid of RBG being the tanner because she played it so well sa minion.
Ah,
I thought she was actually the
Yeah,
tanner.
true. Oh.
sakto yung claim mo
So
na
well
RBG na Insomnia na hindi yung select ni Noob Ambassador eh hindi yung select ni Budin. So alam kagad nila. Which for the recording, by the way,
Yes,
yeah, card 3 was the other Mason. But anyway, good job, good job. Well, welcome Albathor. Ganun kagulo ang One Night Ultimate Werewolf namin. And if you think that's magulo, hintayin mo papasok na si Itlog. So let me
Oh, that's
let me
outside. Oh
end
my God.
this recording for now. Guys, that was One Night Ultimate Werewolf. Team Werewolf won. Congratulations to Master and you sacrificed yourself and it worked out. Good job, RB. So, if you like this video, click on the like button, hit subscribe kung hindi pa kayo subscriber, and the notification button para update kayo every time we upload these types of games. And if you'd like to join our game, send us a message. We'll definitely invite you next time. Until then, thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye, guys.
Everyone, close your eyes. Werewolves, wake up.